Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your Wi-Fi is not working after installing this update, that is KB5065789. So you can make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand network adapter over here, and over here you will see your Wi-Fi. So if you see yellow triangle or if it is not working, then you can make a right click and then click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you can select your Wi-Fi driver and then click on next. And once the installation is complete, now you can connect to your Wi-Fi. It should connect automatically and then you can check. Still not working, make a right click on the Wi-Fi adapter over here and then click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall over here, and then you can click on this scan for hardware changes icon over here, and then you will see your Wi-Fi adapter once again. Now you can go to Wi-Fi and then you can select your Wi-Fi over here. It will be asking for your password, so enter the password. And once this is done, now you can check. Still not working, make a right click once again, then click on uninstall device, click on uninstall, then restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer. During the system restart, it will install the driver, and then after the system restart, you can restart. I'm not restarting my computer right now, but make sure that you restart your computer. I'm just scanning, okay? So after the system restart, again, you can select your Wi-Fi network over here, and then you can connect. Now check. Still not working. In that case, you can uninstall this update. Now, uninstalling Windows Update is not recommended, but after installing this update, if you're facing some problems and if you want to uninstall it, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now for this, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update and then go to Update History. Scroll down, click on Uninstall Updates, and over here you can see KB5065789. In front of it you will see uninstall option. Click on uninstall. Uninstall this update. Uninstalling update may put your PC at risk. So if you agree, only then you uninstall it. So click on uninstall over here and let the process complete. This will take some time. Now once the uninstall is complete, here you can see a restart is required to finish uninstalling the update. So make sure that you restart your computer. So click on restart now. Now after the system restart, now you can go to this Windows Update, and then over here you can see get latest updates as soon as they are available. You can turn this off and you can pause the update. Click on pause. You can select the period if you want to pause it for 1 week, 2 week or 3 week. So you can select the period which you want. You can pause the update and it will stop the automatic update of that particular update. And in future, whenever you want to install future updates, you can always click on resume updates to install future update. So after uninstalling this update, now you can again connect to your Wi-Fi and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the Wi-Fi working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.